A hood that refuses to open or close properly is more than an inconvenience, it is a safety concern that no driver should ignore. This replacement hood latch assembly is designed to restore the original fit and function of your factory latch, helping your hood close securely and release smoothly every time you need access to the engine bay. Built as a direct replacement, it matches the original equipment design so you can regain confidence without complicated modifications or guesswork. Constructed from corrosion-resistant materials, this hood latch assembly is engineered for durability in real-world driving conditions. The reinforced housing helps prevent rust and deterioration caused by moisture, road grime, and temperature changes, ensuring consistent performance over time. By addressing one of the most common wear items under the hood, this part provides a dependable solution that supports long-term vehicle reliability. Installation is straightforward and does not require special tools, making it an ideal repair for both DIY vehicle owners and professional technicians. Because it is quality tested for vehicle fitment and material strength, you can trust that it will align correctly with existing mounting points and latch mechanisms. Each unit undergoes inspection to confirm proper operation before reaching the customer, reducing the risk of repeat repairs. Manufactured by Dorman, this hood latch assembly reflects a commitment to practical design and dependable service. Many drivers choose it as a solution when plastic retainers or factory components fail unexpectedly, and user feedback consistently highlights its solid construction and reliable performance after installation. To ensure the correct fit for your specific vehicle, simply enter your make, model, and trim level into the Amazon Garage tool before purchasing. If you are ready to fix a faulty hood latch and restore proper operation, click the link in the video description to check compatibility and order today. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated on more trustworthy automotive replacement parts and maintenance solutions.